Hi, I'm Dr. Rod, and this is Nick, and he's been a patient of ours probably 5 years now, 6 years. And he's coming in for just a little tune-up, a little checkup, nothing really major going on with him. He likes to go to the gym and work out, and he's an expecting dad, so he's underneath a lot of stress right now. So we're going to help him out a little bit today. So the first thing that we're looking at is his leg lengths, and again, we can see the right leg is significantly shorter. It's probably a good ½ inch, 3/4 of an inch short on the right side. And if we look at his bottom here, you see the right side sticks up a little bit more than the left side. I pretty much know his listings. Listings are the areas that we adjust on a regular on each individual. And so we're gonna get started and kind of walk you through a little bit what we do and let you know that anybody can come in here and get treated. We're going to use certain techniques with him, but there's other techniques that we can use as well. So if you don't like drops, or you don't like hearing the popping and cracking, there's definitely different things we can do. So we're going to use this table with him today. Basically, this side of his pelvis is kind of shifted and rotated backwards, so we're going to rotate it forward again. And so as we do this, his leg lengths should even out fairly quickly. So he likes to go to the gym and work out, so if we have body parts that are not lined up and functioning, moving through their full range of motion like they should, and he's trying to lift weights, he's going to have a higher probability or maybe injuring himself because the body's not really ready to handle that. So as we get things lined up and get some motion back in the joints, he should be able to lift weights a little bit easier with a little less chance of an injury. You can turn your head for me to the right and to the left and back to center. Feel a little tight in the lower part of the back?
A little bit.
Five. Is it sore? Tender right there?
Low.
A little bit. More so right here?
Yes, sir.
About right there.
Mm-hmm.
A little worse.
Mm-hmm.
And how does it feel when we bring your legs up now?
Better.
A little less pinchy?
Yeah.
Okay. So with Nick, what I'm feeling for right now is how much motion does he have in the bones that make up his spine. Got a little restriction here.
Mm-hmm.
You feel that?
Yeah.
Yeah. And a lot right here. This is really restricted here. So even though this table was kind of originally designed for people with like a herniated or a bulging disc, we're going to use it to be able to get some motion back in a lateral or a sideways motion. Start to free up a little bit.
A big difference.
I don't know if you can tell by on the camera or not, but his range of motion is just changing incredibly.
A lot
It's so much
better.
more range of motion. It's moving more freely with a lot less restrictions. Nice. So if he was to go to the gym and work out with these restrictions, he would have a higher chance of injuring himself. With the motion back in here without the restrictions, he should be able to get a better workout and actually work out a little bit better. Feels pretty good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And pretty sore right here.
A little bit.
Take a little breath in, let it out. And right there too. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Take a little breath in, let it out. And little breath in, let it out. So we're just using this little device, called a thumper, just to get some blood flow through the muscle tissue, just to help relax him a little bit more. Let's see if you turn over your back for me. It's a little sore right there, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Some more tender right here.
Mm-hmm.
How about this one?
Mm-hmm.
Close your mouth, don't bite your tongue. And just stretch this out. adjusting his right hip. He had a little restriction on internal rotation. And let's have you come on up here for me. Just swing your legs around this way. Shoulder. Turn down a little. Just don't punch me in the face. Arm up for me. How's that feel?
Better.
Better?
Yes, sir.
Alrighty, sir.